Started rising in the early hours. By lunchtime, Hartburn Bank, which runs through Hartburn, had done its damage.
Obviously, the water's still rising, so we're looking at encouraging residents to move out. The suggestion is the water's going to continue rising, and we're trying to get people to move out now while it's safe.
And in the local bowling club, amazement at how high the beck had risen.
The last time we had it as horrendous as this was 1979. We didn't have to put sand against the doors, or sandbags, but today we've had to.
Elsewhere on Teesside, both Yarm and Eston saw flooding, as did areas such as Hartburn, close to watercourses.
Well, Carol, Cleveland Police point out they've been inundated with calls from people asking if they can be supplied with sandbags. They also point out they can't supply people with sandbags, but say, why not try your local DIY store if you can, of course, negotiate the floodwaters to get to your local DIY store.
Of course, Ian, thank you very much.